day 2 or 3. I think day 2 in the actual jungle.
You don't even know what day it is.
I don't know what day it is. I don't know what day it is in the States. I don't know what day it is in the freaking jungle, but here we are.
If you look to the right, you'll see trees. If you look to the left, you'll see trees.
No, but we did see a wild boar.
And beautiful blue butterflies.
And beautiful blue butterflies. All the adjectives. She's blind. It literally has the only person with sunglasses. Okay, wait.
Míralas ahí, míralas arriba. Mira, ven.
No, they're little tiny birds. They're so loud though. And there's so many of them. Mira ahí.
Hay una grande.
Oh my god. No, they're birds.
Cotorrita.
Oh, that dog don't give a... We have to go around it. The dogs just don't care. He's like, what up? El Ranchito, thank you.
Espresso.
They have little restaurants on the way to the beach. So nice. I saw a smoothie stand somewhere that I kind of want to go to. But I
You
think,
kind
oh
of
look,
want to go to, or you want to go to?
I want to go to. Yeah, like when you go to
Even
other.
in San Jose, it wasn't that bad.
No, even yeah, they're just calm. You barely hear anyone beeping
That's
here.
what I'm saying, the
Usually
beeping
when you
only
go to
comes
other
from the
countries, it's
mopeds,
like.
just to let them know that you're coming behind.
Or they're passing.
Yeah, that's it, pretty much. There's a lot of people walking on the streets, like even on the highways and the medians, people were
It's
on
kind
the
of nice.
street. It's up.
Kind of.
I kind of want to come back.
Yeah, I kind of want to come back.
Annoying.
Everybody's here.
Let's do it.
Okay, we're on the way to the beach. It is definitely raining, so it's a rainforest, you know what I mean? It's just a part of it. It's very, very muddy.
Entrada a los baños y a la playa.
Yep.
Brandon, you saw the dog and then you looked at me and you went like this. As like a football. You just kick it.
Oh. Eh?
Bañarse en el aguacero aquí es diferente.
See, we were just swimming and it was like drizzling, but now it's actually raining. As soon as it stops raining, I will get clips, better clips of how the beach looks. Because when we got here, just got in the water and we went all the way to the rocks. I mean, it's just gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning, even in the rain. But it wasn't raining as hard as it is now. It's okay. We're in Quepos, and then this beach, I don't even know how you pronounce it. Are you trying to give it to me? This beach is like Basin or something like that. I don't know. I'll put it here. It's absolutely gorgeous. She's just chilling right now. Auntie is not in the water, but pura vida.
Auntie's a little chilly.
And everybody else is in the water. The green of the trees with the green of the water, the contrast is just beautiful. And then the rocks are black. I'm wearing green too. This is crazy. We gotta do that again. Go back to that beach. We don't have to buy the chairs again if it's sunny. You know what I mean? We have the towels. All right, so we're at a restaurant now. We're all soaked, but All is good.
Far left side.
Coffee, wine, beer. I know, but I'm gonna have it when the fish comes. No, I'm really upset that I didn't get any. I didn't get any footage of us getting in the water. Pura vida. Cheers. It was gorgeous. It was gorgeous. We went in the rocks. We were right by the jungle, like looking, waiting to see a monkey, but we did not find any monkeys at all. There will be better days. They said it has never rained on a Christmas day. So like we're part of history, you know? It was scary though. We went all the way up, back up, and it was like running down. The water was running like runoffs. I was kind of scared. But we're alive, we're here. Lisa! Yes, he found this restaurant. He decided on this restaurant. He needs the credit all the time.
Spicy sauce.
Ooh. Wow. What?
Wow, look at that.
I'm in shock.
Oh my baby.
Oh, Lord. Wow, gracias. Oh my
Pura
God.
vida.
Yeah.
Familia, aprovecho.
Gracias. Oh Lord. And she's fried with fries. We tore it up.
Pez. Es fish. ¿Cómo hace el pez?
She was just dead.
Quiero un
What
poco
is
de
it?
pez. ¿Quiere pez?
Mama,
¿Quiere
that's a
pez?
fish.
You want some? ¿Quiere?
Nope.
¿Puedes traer un poquitico de servilleta?
I don't want to eat it.
Gracias.
Ahí, pero está en la...
We all got exactly what we wanted coming here in terms of plates. Red snapper with totones. They got red lobster with totones. Everybody was highly pleased.
Yes, highly pleased. Yeah.
Choice, Danny.
You're hitting so well, Mama.
Everything's very decent.
Of course.
Guys, everybody can get a spoon.
Mira, métetelo tú primero. Okay. Rompa, susurrame tú. Cuando me veas llegar, hoy voy a verte de nuevo. Voy a alegrar tu tristeza. Vamos a hacer una fiesta para que este amor crezca más. Okay. Susurrame tu silencio cuando me veas llegar. Voy a verte de nuevo. Voy a alegrar tu tristeza. Vamos a hacer una fiesta cuando el amor crezca más. Oh my goodness. Careful, there's a little taxi. We came here to Vista Verde Pub and Bar. Really good.
I should have brought my glasses.
Okay,
This
well,
is
you're not going to see
clip
any
number
monkeys.
76 of the trip.
Clip number 76, yes, actually. We're in Manuel Antonio National Park. We have a tour guide. We're at the, that's a monkey.
Please point it out to me so I can run in.
This is gorgeous. We're seeing butterflies, lizards, certain birds. Oh, frogs, glass frogs. So lots of little critters that we're seeing. He said monkeys, toucans, and sloths are overrated. I'm like, they're not overrated for us. So I hope we can see them. But
And animals will be creating, they are looking, literally camp. those ponds, waiting for those.
Crikey, mate. What is that? What is this species? Traveling with a toddler is something else. Although our toddler is behaving so well since we drove to Florida to just fly out to Costa Rica. She's been behaving so well. But it is definitely like, I would recommend having family around to help you.
Was an established monkey mafia that made the beach their headquarters. They used to wait in there all day long for the distracted tourists. After the sugar rush they get from human food, monkeys get sick, develop cavities, high cholesterol, diabetes. They lose their natural ability.
You're so tiny. It's just 1, 2, 3, sorry. It makes me emotional because what we're learning really, it kind of shows how nature takes care of itself, and there's everything. There's a tree that's an herb that helps monkeys if they get stung by a bee or whatever. It kind of works like a ibuprofen, like pain relief, and that's wild. And then there's a bird that works together with the monkey to hunt. It's wild.
She's giving me hugs.
Y un besito, mamá. Ay, qué rico.
137.5 degrees, there is a leak.
Oh my God. No, Cari. Oh, no. Oh, no. No se ven así.
It's a little gray. I don't saw the face. I don't saw the clothes.
What are those? Humans are disgusting. We have an army of ants working hard over there. Meanwhile, people just leave their disgusting pads everywhere. Like, what? We just finished the tour. It was incredible. And now we're gonna go to the beach right here in the national park. Abby! There he goes to finish his coffee. Finish your coffee. You're in jail. In coffee jail. No, I'm kidding. Oh, mama. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. Mama, you can see it.
It's eating the...
Siempre se me alarga.
This is the other beach. Yeah, there. Okay, free coconuts.
Gotta be careful, the monkey might actually feel here.
This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. We are walking now. Trail from the beach. What's that? Is that a rodent?
Yeah.
To see if we see some monkeys. We are far. Wow. Looks so cute. He said he's not scared, he's cautious.
Actually, just move a little bit to the right so you can completely block me, please.
Babe.
Perfectly see it actually.
Oh, they hop so cute. On our way to eat some food. Barber shop.
Happy birthday, Danny.
Salud.
Salud. Happy birthday.
Salud. So 30 years and 70 more. This is casado, which is basically the meal that they say that the husband expects when he comes home from work in Costa Rica.
Esto es lo que el esposo.
Which is just basically Spanish
Esto es lo que el
food.
esposo espera tener cuando
Sure.
llegue del trabajo.
Freaking no vegetable eating ass.
All right, I'm gonna have this.
But just leave it there until I want it.
Danny. Daniela, ¿y por qué el taco? ¿Dónde lo vas? ¿Qué hago con el taco?
Lo que te dé la gana. When you're Hispanic, you realize that almost all food is the same. This is palomilla. In a Cuban restaurant, this is basically palomilla.
Daniela, qué rico está esto.
No, riquísimo. I'm just saying that it's not that different from what we make. They just cook things differently. Like, for example, we don't cook the maduro, the plantain, like this. We cut it differently and we wait till it. See, look, this is what Hispanics from the Caribbean do. They're like, why do I need the taco? We pour the beans, we put it there, we don't need it. We don't need it.
Juan Restaurante Blue Marlin en el centro de Quepos. Te esperamos hoy jueves.
Oye, vuelve. Tú pediste, papi. What did
Pedí
you...
un expreso, yo pedí café.
We don't want you to sleep until tomorrow.
Pero le voy a decir a este tío que donde quiera que va a pedir un café que le traiga el
My dad ordered an espresso and they gave him this thing. This huge thing.